Caring for your dog, tips and tricks. Do you want to own a dog? Do you know what it takes to truly care for your dog in the best way possible? If you think you know it all, but want to learn more, or if you're a novice, this video provides a ton of up-to-date information about owning a dog, so read on. You may know that chocolate is dangerous for dogs, but you may not know the specifics. Chocolate is dangerous because of the stimulants caffeine and theobromine. Baking chocolate is the most dangerous, with a high amount of stimulants. White chocolate contains the least amount of stimulants. Take your dog to vet if he ingests chocolate. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. You shouldn't allow your pet off your property if it's not wearing a leash, even if he is extremely well behaved. A wild animal may get his attention and cause him to run off, or he may have a bad situation with others and their dogs. You will be to blame if your dog gets hurt for being off his leash. If your dog spends a lot of time outdoors, he or she may eventually come in contact with a skunk. If he gets sprayed, mix together 1 teaspoon of dishwashing detergent, 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 quart of hydrogen peroxide solution, but make sure it is no more than 3%. Apply the mixture to your dog's coat and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Wash your dog off well afterward. Pet-proof your home before bringing a dog into it, just as you would for a crawling toddler. You need to move anything toxic to a higher shelf and consider the danger that plants may pose if nibbled by your dog. Remember that antifreeze is deadly and that leaving things like pennies or crayons on floors can pose a choking hazard to curious pups. When it comes to priceless information, you now have all you need to get started. The first step is to take one tip and put it to use. Once you have mastered that technique, move on to the next. When you are using all the advice, find another video and start over. Your dog will appreciate it. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.